Hello, welcome back to my channel. You're here with TK Kathy. So today I'm gonna do the unboxing for Boxycharm for the month of February. Let's go ahead and start. What do I think of this? I think it's okay. It's very pigmented. It was really easy to blend it out to the metallic shimmers that it has. I think it's pretty nice, but I think it'll be a lot nicer if you actually wet it. I didn't wet the one on my eyelid because I want to see how it's gonna look even without wetting the brush. If you're like a neutral person, you like the warm tones, this is actually a perfect palette for you. Palette for everyday look. There's a lot of like the shimmers in here, which I kind of like as well, so you can make a lot of good looks on this one. And I love that there's a mirror on it, so that's a plus. So I like this one. I've never had an iconic London eyeshadow palette, so it's really nice to see that it was easy to blend and it was also very pigmented. It's not powdery or anything, and it's the shimmer is kind of like a wet creamy shimmer, so it's pretty nice. That's the one I use as a setting powder. Oh, okay, this is a coconut setting powder. No wonder it reminds me of that Precision's Formula bronzer that I have. It smells like that because it has like coconut. I think it's the Muru Muru one, but yeah, it smells like that. And so far it looks good. I don't know about the wear yet because I just try it on, but we'll see and I will update you guys. The brushes, there's 3 of them. They're very soft. My favorite one is this one, the complexion brush. I used it as a blush on brush, so it's soft enough for that. And then I also use this as the one for the powder, the setting powder, which I should have used the other one because there's the brightening brush, but it's okay because I use this one for the highlighter and it works okay. And it's very compact, so it actually grabbed a lot of the highlighter on the palette, so it was just too much highlighter on my face. But I like that. The bronzer was kind of weird. It's very compact. A lot better with if you use like a liquid bronzer first. And I actually used this one because I thought when I first saw this, my first impression was it's actually a foundation brush, but it's not. So it says it's a bronzer brush, so I would say this is perfect, a lot better for a liquid bronzer. I will try this again and give you guys an update on how I like it. Using hemp wipes. So I'll be honest with you, I'm kind of disappointed on what I got this month. Cleansing hemp wipes. I don't really care about hemp. I'm not really into that, but I will try this and update you guys how good it is. That's all for me today. I hope you like what you saw. I mean, there's a little bit of not a lot of information about the other 2 products, but I will definitely update you guys in the description box down below, and I will let you guys know how I like the other 2. Okay, I want to share with you I took a nap, and maybe that was like 4-hour nap or something. The eyeshadow is still there. Shadow is still there. Still looks good. This is me with like watery eyes after taking a nap. Setting powder. It looks really good on the skin. It looks so smooth. It feels nice. Doesn't feel like it's burning my eyes. Will I buy this? No. I'm just gonna use it because it's, you know, it's from the box, but I think I like the one from Joa more. I tried the pad, and the pad was amazing. It feels good in the face. It feels like, you know how it says it's exfoliating, so I feel like that's what it really did, and it didn't burn or anything. You know that feeling when you use the toner? It does feel like your skin got smoother and, you know, better. That's what it feels like. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Salamat. Babush!